our agenda, as you can see on the slide. Overall, it's a great opportunity to expansion for Whole Foods Company. First of all, our sales increased dramatically this year. Our financial status is ready to expansion. Secondly, we have good reputations. Whole Foods Company is named as the most admired company in food and drug stores industry, and more consumers in Europe prefer to buy health organic foods. In order to identify different segments, we use the store image. And we found 3 drivers that influence the overall store image: service, atmosphere, price. There are all independent variables on a 1 to 7 point scale. And the data we used consists of 1,669 respondents in 105 regions across the 7 countries. And these 2 plus explains that why we classify 105 regions into 2 geographical segments compared with other numbers of segment models. 2 geographical segment model has the highest likelihood and the lowest BIC. Let me explain what is BIC. The lower the BIC is, the better the segment model is. And so we decided to use the 2 geographical segment model. And in the next step, we assign each regions into 2 segments. We have 105 regions, and these regions are classified into 2 segments based on the possibilities that each regions belong to which segments through the gimmicks, which is a statistical software. And we found that Germany, France, and Spain are mainly included in segment 2. Other countries are included in segment 1. From the table, we can see that the market size of the Germany, France, and Spain is much higher. It accounts to 70% of the entire market. So that's the main reasons that we should focus on Germany, France, and Spain. And from the table, we can see that the coefficient of service in Germany, France, and Spain is much higher. That means that the consumers value on high quality services, because the higher coefficient of service means that the contribution of service to increase store image is bigger. And from the table, we can see that the coefficient of price in Germany, France, and Spain is lower, which means that the consumers in these regions are not price sensitive. Because the higher coefficient of price is, the more price sensitive consumers are. That's why we choose to provide a premium price. And if we charge low prices, we will lose the profits we should have taken. And this is the prediction of store image on our strategy. We can see from the chart that the store image of segment 2, Germany, France, and Spain, is very high, 5.652, which is higher than the overall store image in other countries, 5.578. Obviously, it's a bad choice to enter in the segment, targeting on segment 2. And here we come to the conclusion. It is a good opportunity to enter Europe market, and the three recommendation is that focusing on Germany, France, and Spain providing high quality service and providing premium price. That's all. Thank you for your attention.